Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's transforming our everyday lives. From streamlining tasks at home to enhancing our work efficiency, AI is making life easier and more convenient than ever before. But how exactly is AI integrated into our daily routines? Are you curious to discover how AI is already influencing your life in ways you might not even realize? Join us as we explore 8 fascinating ways AI is being used in your daily life, and prepare to be amazed at the power of this technology. Join us as we dive into the incredible world of AI and uncover the countless ways it's shaping our everyday experiences. Personal assistants, Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become integral parts of our daily routines, making life more convenient with just a voice command. These AI-powered assistants can do everything from setting reminders and sending messages to controlling smart home devices and answering complex questions. The beauty of AI in these devices lies in their ability to learn and adapt to your preferences over time, making them more efficient and personalized. For instance, Siri can suggest reminders based on your habits, while Alexa can recommend products you might like based on your previous purchases. Google Assistant goes a step further by integrating seamlessly with other Google services, providing you with a tailored experience across your devices. Whether you're asking about the weather, playing your favorite music, or getting directions, these AI assistants are designed to make life easier and more connected. These personal assistants are constantly evolving, with developers adding new features and improving their ability to understand natural language. This means that as they continue to learn from your interactions, they'll become even more attuned to your needs, making them indispensable tools in your daily life. The convenience and efficiency they offer highlight the incredible potential of AI in making our lives more manageable and productive. Smart home devices, the Internet of Things, or IoT. Smart home devices powered by AI are revolutionizing the way we interact with our living spaces. From thermostats that learn your preferred temperature settings to lights that adjust based on your daily routines, AI is at the heart of these innovations, making homes more comfortable, energy efficient, and secure. Devices like the Nest thermostat, Philips Hue lights, and smart security systems use AI to learn your habits and optimize performance accordingly. One of the most significant benefits of AI in smart homes is energy efficiency. For example, AI-powered thermostats can reduce energy consumption by learning when you're home and adjusting the temperature accordingly. Similarly, smart lighting systems can dim or turn off lights based on occupancy, helping to save electricity and lower your energy bills. This not only provides convenience, but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. In addition to comfort and efficiency, AI-powered security systems are enhancing home safety. These systems can detect unusual activity, alert you in real time, and even distinguish between familiar faces and potential intruders. By integrating AI with IoT devices, smart homes offer a level of convenience, security, and energy efficiency that was once unimaginable, truly transforming the way we live. Streaming services personalized content recommendations. When you log into your favorite streaming service, whether it's Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube, you're greeted with personalized recommendations tailored just for you. This isn't by chance, it's AI at work. These platforms use AI algorithms to analyze your viewing or listening habits, preferences, and even the time of day you're most active, to suggest content that you're likely to enjoy. This personalized experience keeps users engaged and ensures that you're always discovering new content that suits your tastes. For example, Netflix uses a recommendation system that considers factors like your previous viewing history, the time you spend on each show, and even your interactions with other shows. Similarly, Spotify's AI-driven Discover Weekly playlist curates songs based on your listening history, introducing you to new artists and tracks that match your musical preferences. YouTube also leverages AI to recommend videos that align with your interests, making it easier to find content that resonates with you. The impact of AI on streaming services goes beyond just recommendations. AI is also used to optimize video quality based on your internet speed, manage bandwidth usage, and even create dynamic playlists that adapt to your mood or activity. By using AI to enhance personalization and user experience, these platforms have revolutionized how we consume entertainment, making it more enjoyable and tailored to individual preferences. E-commerce tailored shopping experiences. E-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay have transformed shopping into a personalized experience thanks to AI. From product recommendations to dynamic pricing, AI plays a crucial role in enhancing the online shopping experience. When you browse an e-commerce site, AI algorithms analyze your search history, past purchases, and even the time you spend looking at certain products to suggest items that you're more likely to buy. One of the most noticeable ways AI impacts e-commerce is through personalized product recommendations. These suggestions are not random. They're based on complex algorithms that consider your behavior, preferences, and even what other users with similar tastes have purchased. This not only makes shopping more convenient, but also increases the likelihood of discovering products you didn't even know you wanted. AI also optimizes the checkout process by predicting which payment method you're likely to use or even suggesting delivery options based on your location and purchase history. Additionally, chatbots powered by AI are becoming increasingly common on e-commerce platforms, providing instant customer support, answering queries, and guiding users through the shopping process. By making online shopping more efficient, personalized, and user-friendly, AI is reshaping the way we shop, offering a tailored experience that keeps us coming back. Health and fitness AI-powered apps and wearables. AI has made significant strides in the health and fitness industry, particularly through apps and wearable devices that monitor your activity, provide personalized workout plans, and even track your sleep patterns. Devices like Fitbit, Apple Watch, and health apps like MyFitnessPal use AI to analyze your data and offer insights that help you maintain a healthier lifestyle. These tools are designed to adapt to your personal goals, whether it's losing weight, improving your sleep quality, or training for a marathon. For example, wearable fitness trackers use AI to monitor your heart rate, steps taken, calories burned, and even your sleep cycles. This data is then processed to provide you with personalized recommendations on how to improve your fitness routine or adjust your lifestyle. AI-powered apps can also create customized workout plans based on your fitness level, goals, and progress, ensuring that you're always challenged and motivated to reach your targets. In addition to fitness, AI is also making healthcare more accessible through telemedicine and diagnostic tools. AI-driven apps can analyze symptoms, provide medical advice, and even suggest treatments, making it easier for users to manage their health from the comfort of their homes. By leveraging AI in health and fitness, these tools offer a more personalized and effective approach to wellness, empowering individuals to take control of their health in ways that were previously unimaginable. Finance AI in banking and personal finance. AI is revolutionizing the finance industry, particularly in areas like banking, investment, and personal finance management. From fraud detection to robo-advisors, AI is helping to make financial services more secure, efficient, and accessible. Banks and financial institutions are using AI algorithms to monitor transactions, detect unusual activity, and prevent fraud in real time, providing a higher level of security for customers. For individuals, AI-powered financial management apps like Mint and YNAB, You Need a Budget, offer personalized insights into spending habits, budgeting, and saving. These apps analyze your income, expenses, and financial goals to provide tailored advice on how to manage your money more effectively. AI also powers robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront, which use algorithms to create and manage investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial objectives, making investing more accessible to everyone. In addition to personal finance, AI is transforming the way businesses operate by automating tasks such as loan approvals, credit scoring, and risk management. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can provide faster and more accurate assessments than traditional methods, leading to more informed financial decisions. Whether it's managing your personal budget or optimizing investment strategies, AI is making finance more efficient, secure, and personalized. Transportation, autonomous vehicles, and traffic management. AI is driving the future of transportation, quite literally, with the development of autonomous vehicles and advanced traffic management systems. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Uber are at the forefront of this revolution, using AI to create self-driving cars that can navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and make split-second decisions without human intervention. These vehicles rely on AI algorithms to process data from sensors, cameras, and GPS, enabling them to operate safely in real-world conditions. Autonomous vehicles promise to revolutionize the way we travel, reducing the need for human drivers and potentially decreasing accidents caused by human error. But AI's impact on transportation isn't limited to self-driving cars. AI is also being used to optimize traffic flow in cities, with smart traffic lights and predictive algorithms that can adjust signal timings based on real-time traffic conditions. This helps reduce congestion, improve fuel efficiency, and decrease travel times. Public transportation systems are also benefiting from AI, with predictive maintenance tools that can anticipate when trains or buses need repairs, reducing downtime and improving reliability. AI-driven apps like Google Maps and Waze use real-time data to suggest the fastest routes, taking into account traffic conditions, accidents, and road closures. By enhancing both individual and public transportation, AI is making travel safer, more efficient, and more convenient. Customer service AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. AI is transforming the customer service industry, making it more efficient and accessible through the use of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants. These tools are designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from answering frequently asked questions to processing orders and resolving issues, all without human intervention. Companies like Amazon, Facebook, and many others use AI-driven chatbots to provide 24/7 customer support, ensuring that customers can get help whenever they need it. These AI-powered assistants can understand natural language, allowing them to interact with customers in a conversational manner. They can also learn from past interactions, improving their responses over time and providing more accurate and personalized service. For example, when you visit a website and a chat window pops up asking if you need help, there's a good chance you're interacting with an AI-powered chatbot that's capable of guiding you through the purchasing process or troubleshooting an issue. In addition to improving customer service, AI is also being used in virtual assistants that help manage tasks like booking appointments, sending reminders, and even making reservations. By automating these tasks, AI frees up time for both businesses and consumers, making customer service more efficient and user-friendly. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and responsive virtual assistants, further enhancing the customer experience. As we've seen, AI is already deeply embedded in our daily lives, making tasks easier, more efficient, and personalized to our unique needs. From managing finances to optimizing our health, AI is reshaping the way we live in ways that are both subtle and profound. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.